The Pixel 3 live wallpapers are now not only exclusive for the Pixels, they can be installed right away on your Android smartphone. The one I'm installing over here is for Android 9.0, but if you are not running Pi, don't worry, we have just got a port from Pranav Pandey and the link will be given right in the description below. You can install if you wish to experience this.
People fear what they don't understand.
It contains a lot of live wallpapers and this time they are pretty. All the live wallpapers responds to touch, notifications, unlocking. This one responds to your music as well, the one you are playing on your smartphone. The live wallpaper acts accordingly. The best part of these wallpapers are they do support always on display for AMOLED phones. What's really tricky over here is they are still when your device is not charging or is kept idle, but they come to life when your device is charging. That's a sweet move by Google. The ported APK given in the description might not work for all the devices out there as it's just the initial release, but we can expect an update soon. The one I'm using is totally functional on Pi. I am running this on Havoc 2.0 on my OnePlus 3D. Thanks for watching.